Gaza after services pushed a hard line on Iran in Syria. The critics of the Bush administration said the unwavering support for Israel did not benefit America's interests or even Israel.
Koshka, come on, over here. Come on. Koshka. Out you come. Come on. Out you come. Koshka, come on. Here you come. Come on. Oi. No. Come on. Oh, if you're going to stay in there, you stay in there then. As you can see, she stopped coughing and is just looking a little bit shaken by the whole experience. Her nose is clear, her eyes are bright and shiny, and if I just shine a little bit of light in there, you can see she's absolutely fine, just looking very, very scared.